As you can see today, I'm about to make some juice. What we have today, we got some fresh strawberry, mango. I got some carnation milk and Nestle and water. So now I'm about to peel the mango. So nice. As you can see right now, this is my strawberry. Cut the top off. Cut. Look, this strawberry looks so fresh and nice. It's gonna be awesome. My line. As you can see, this is your line. Some vanilla. This is it's all good. This is my strawberry, little bit sugar, my condensed milk. This is my carnation. Haitian, like I told you, we call that Gicole. You can see I got everything in there.
Lift it up.
My ice. Some water. Remember, that's why I add little lime juice. I need little acidic flavor to it.
Hallelujah.
Really simple, everybody could do it. This is how you do it. That's gonna be awesome, nice, and beautiful. That's how your juice look like.